Hello, my name is Maria Ingadia. Along with my wife, Sheila Brody, and sister Maureen Brody, we are founders of the Green Spa and Wellness Center. Some of you may know us from there for 26 plus years. And the reason for this video is to introduce you and welcome you, although you probably have downloaded the app and like, who are these people? We are not spam. We are really trying to reach out to you so we can share with you this some incredible and exciting new stuff that we've been working on you for the past 2 years. Through the Green Spa and Wellness Center, through the massage therapy in Bay Ridge, Brooklyn, we have focused on the body, holistic healing. We also, through our sister company, Legend of the Spa, it's a skincare company, we focused on that. And since 2019, after writing the book Breaking Free from Mobster to Mentor, based on a true inspirational story of my life, we created a company for the mindset, to shift the mindset. And we have built this company for the last 5 years, focusing on our clients, the people that we care about so much. And it's called Transformational Gangstas. But what we built the past 2 years is an app, a membership app just for you. And this membership app is free. But what I want to share you with is I'm sharing my screen with you because you can get this app on Android, Apple, and also you can use it on your desktop. Okay, this is not a spam. We moved out of Facebook. Transformational Gangstas, the mindset mastery for change management coaching, and the MOPS to the Mentor method with supporting thousands and thousands of people. And we want to be sure that we give you every opportunity to have coaching and mind shift and breath work and meditation. We offer an abundance amount of free resources and tools and lives for you right in your pocket. You have to download the app, Transformational Gangstas. And we have a team of customer loyalty ambassadors, and they're here to help provide ease. So if you're one of our clients or community members that are older or don't have as much patience, we want to support you with navigating. We are creating this with as much ease as possible. Now, when you can also get it on your desktop, okay? And we're gonna share with you, get videos with you, come sit down with you, whatever it needs for you to have ease within our app, because it's like driving a car and you're gonna be navigating yourself. And there's abundance, but it looks like this. What you need to do is download the app and or on your desktop, sign up for the free basic membership. Your free basic membership, you go to Get Ready, watch the video. Your free basic membership includes meditation and breath work live and rewatch for your own convenience, anywhere at your comfort, anywhere around the world. We offer you 4 times a year free 7-day self-loyalty challenge with a rewatch, workbooks, exercises, live connection. We offer you trainings and other resources. We offer you also a community where you get to share. And we lead you inside our app. We lead you along the way. And it's forever living and breathing. So we're always adding new stuff. And myself and our team have been working on this to deliver to you. But once you're inside your app, you'll notice, or once you're inside your membership, you'll notice 4 different titles: Discovery, Mind Shift, Community. For our premium members, our paid members, there is a tracking system for accountability. And I'm showing you what I see. And you're also going to see a profile. In your profile, you need to be sure that you add a picture, because the picture is going to be super important. Anybody inside this community, we are going to know. Okay, we're going to have thousands of members, but our team is going to know everyone. So if somebody comes in that doesn't have a picture or doesn't add their first name and last name, it doesn't have to be your last name, but we'll know who you are. We're going to we'll try a couple of times to get in touch with you. If we cannot get in touch with you, we will delete your account from our community. We are managing this very privately. Inside our community, we provide a safe, creative, non-judgmental place for you to share. Now, what I'm showing you right now is called mind shifts. Each one of these boxes serves a different purpose. Again, you're going to see things that you may not have at basic level, but you will see, start here, and inside start here, you click on that box, and each little box is another clickable item. These are all, you click on the arrow, you can listen. We have some best practices for you for self-loyalty. Click on the arrows, daily practices, click on the arrows, and all this stuff is for you. You could set up a free discovery calls with us. You want to speak to us, you want to learn more, come talk to us. We're here for you. This is what we live, breathe, and do. You'll also get inside there meditation, live meditation. This is where you're going to find your live meditation in minutes, okay? And live breath work and your replays. And we also give you 3 meditations for at night, serenity within, aligning with joy. This is all for your use at any time. You'll also, we have a live studio where we do yoga or movement classes. That's for our premium members. That's totally up to you. But there's also the 7-day self-loyalty challenge. We're in it right now. Each day comes with an exercise, a video, a rewatch. So you can rewatch the lives. You can connect with us. That's all in there for you. And we also have in there for you, the vault is for our premium members. Community. Let's move down to community. For our basic members, you have a community where we'll talk to you. We'll send you links. Each thing is clickable inside there. All these yellows lines are clickable links, so we drive you. This is what we have for you. We are not spam. By no means are we spam. You can look out from emails because we are an empire, a family of wellness brands. And wellness space is one, you may see an email from info@wellnessspace.us. Please whitelist that. You may see an email from Transformational Gangstas with an A. When you download the app, it's also with an A @gmail.com. You may see a email from TG Gangsta Annette. She's one of our ambassadors @gmail.com. And there's also one more email. It's info@transformationalgangsters.com. info@transformationalgangsters.com. We are centralizing everything. It does take time. All of our stuff is password protective. We are verified, like we have an SMS number. So we text. We're minimizing our emails. We're using our emails like Maria@transformationalgangsters.com would be used for marketing material. What we're doing right now is going more towards notifications through the app. So when you're in your profile, please be sure to set up your notifications to be turned on. Also, if you've probably downloaded this app already, if we're in touch with you, so what you need to do is update it. Go and update it and stay logged in, because you'll only receive notifications if you're logged in and set up your profile. And you can message us right in from the app. Also, we have a verified phone number, an SMS phone number, and save it. It's 347-971-4141. That's where all of our texts go through. And last but not least, also, we're going to be inside our app, our weekly blogs. We'll send you a link to that when they come out, our newsletters, and any upcoming events that are online that you might want to be part of. Some of those may be energy exchange cost, but you'll be able to watch any of our classes that we do through our studio or our workshops online in the convenience of your own home. We are family operating. We are here for you. We love our community. We'd love to see you join our community and ask more questions on how we can serve you. We're all about your mental health. Your mental health matters to us, and we're experts in this industry. This is what we do all the days of our lives for the past 3 decades, and the material that we deliver to you is priceless. And we're here to support you with living your best life, helping you go from where you are to where you want to be without excuses. And we're here for you. And please respond to us. Thank you. And have a good day. Bye.